Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the OmniCoder-9B. So we will be downloading this model on our computer and then run it. Imagine having a powerful AI software engineer running directly on your computer, an AI that can read your files, project files, understand errors and actually help fix or write code like a real developer. That's exactly OmniCoder 9B is designed to do. OmniCoder 9B is a 9 billion parameter open source coding model built specifically for AI coding agents. This is a model for AI coding agents and it is 9 billion parameter model, and this is trained on frontier agent traces, hybrid architecture and 262K native context, error recovery, thinking mode, and it is released as Apache 2 fully open source, open weight with no restriction model. And this is the benchmarks. So let's download this model. I will be downloading the quantized model, and this is fine. Testlet OmniCoder 9B GGUF, and I will be downloading the 5-bit model. Let's download 7-bit model. Now click on use this model and select LM Studio. Click on open. To download the model in LM Studio, click here download and click here. You will see that model is being downloaded. Model is downloaded and we can load this model now. Click here to load the model. Model successfully loaded, and I can ask to create a simple HTML student registration form. Can you create student registration page in tailwind.css, HTML, CSS and JavaScript? So it's a thinking model, so it is thinking now. Model is generating the code. Create a new HTML index.html, paste the code and open in the browser. Copy this code and now open this in the browser. So it's a simple student registration form that it created. Please fill in all the required fields. So this is a nice student registration form that is created by the model. In this tutorial, I showed you how to download the OmniCoder 9 billion quantized model and then run it in the LM Studio and finally test the model. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.